Xtreme Trader still holds its name as one of the best gold analysts on YouTube. And as you can see, thankfully my signal from the last Saturday has indeed went as predicted. But unfortunately, of course, our buy signal has not been activated. But at least I take a score that the gold has went indeed in the right direction and already hit the take profit level, of course, without triggering the buy level again. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So now, let's see what we can do next with this pair and what we can expect now with the gold. So now, in my opinion, the gold is going to continue the rise. And before we continue, also, I would like to share with you my perspective on the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart right here. And as you can see right here, we have here this channel. And the gold has indeed made a bullish breakout from that channel. Of course, ignoring the fake breakout happened right here, we have right here the real level of a resistance trend line. So right now we can see that the market indeed has respected that level of a broken resistance trend line with at least, and remember I'm on the weekly chart. So therefore we can say 1, 2, 3 and 4 attempts of a support trend line. So that meaning that the gold is indeed respecting that level and will continue the rise after making the bullish breakout right from it. So it has been confirmed that the gold right now is going to continue the rise. And now we have here, of course, a neutral channel that indeed has been broken out from. Let me just show it to you right here exactly, just to be accurate, exactly just like that. So meaning where exactly we can expect the gold to fall to and where exactly we can buy again. Let's now move back to the daily chart and do the same thing again by creating here a channel. So the same practice that we have applied on the weekly chart, we will apply it right now on the daily chart. So right now we have here, of course, a channel that yet to be completed. However, right here exactly we have, of course, this level of a resistance trend line. And check this out right here actually. Wait a minute, I'd like to squeeze the chart exactly so it will be clear for us. And now we can see clearly right here exactly that we have, of course, this level of a resistance trend line. I'm just trying to make it accurate exactly like this. So right now we have clearly right here a resistance trend line that about to be touched, which means the gold indeed, my friends, is going to continue to rise till it complete the channel or the triangle right here, and it's gonna touch the edge of the resistance trend line right here. And that means that the gold still has around, let's say around roughly 300 pips more to go. So at a certain point, the gold is going to make a pullback right now, and we can re-buy the gold again after it retests a certain level. The question again is where exactly. I know that many of you will just forward the video to find the level and just get done with it, but I'm trying to my best to explain it to you, so it will be actually more logical. And of course, in the end, Xtreme Trader is educational channel. We just don't send these signals blindly. We have to explain to you the reason behind each and every signal. However, by looking at the resistance right here, that is, of course, the broken level of a resistance at 2,433. And I'm expecting the gold by tomorrow to fall again and retest that level of a broken resistance right here exactly. 1 second, just need to make it more accurate. Exactly, yes, like that. Fantastic. At 2,431. However, if I would like to get one more confirmation about that, what I will do is simply clone the same support trend line right here that I have made, and just simply move it all the way right here to the nearest level of a support trend line, exactly like that. Right here exactly, we have, of course, a support trend line, as you can see, that after the bearish breakout became here a resistance trend line, and then again been a support trend line. That is the most important one, because right after this one, we had here a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, and instantly a bullish breakout from that level. Remember that this one right here, this support trend line right here, is actually the nearest support trend line to that bullish breakout candle, which means if the gold will continue the fall, it will actually first of all retest the same level of a broken resistance right here at 2,431, and also it will be respecting that support trend line right here. So meaning buying at 2,431 is gonna be ideal in my opinion, and that is gonna be our next buy order level. Now for the take profit level, let me just now squeeze the chart again. Now what we will do is simply still using the same line right here that I have used before, and now place it right there exactly at that level of a resistance trend line. Isn't that beautiful? That's the reason we call this the magic of trend lines. Once you manage them, you will really be able to read the charts like an open book. So right now we can see clearly that the gold has a chance to continue the fall right here to this level of a previous resistance, and then it will continue the rise to reach the same edge of that resistance trend line, which means we can safely say that our take profit level can be placed at 2510, which means we can actually aim around 800 pips, which is really too much. Let's make it at 2500, which means our take profit level is going to be around 670 pips, I would say, or let's make it 700 pips. However, for the safe zone, it should not be ranging lower than this level of a previous key support level exactly right here. This is of course the nearest level of a support to our entry at 2397, which means the safe zone, my friends, is going to be ranging for around 300 pips exactly, against 700 pips of hopefully a profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, for the gold for the remaining days of this week. And again, my friends, remember, this is in the end just a signal. It's my own perspective on the market, and this signal might fail, of course. And remember that if you open a trade on this signal, be prepared for any potential losses. And remember that the gold has reached a historical level. The gold has never reached 2460 in its entire existence. So therefore, that is a history written and is being written in front of our eyes. So therefore, remember that trading the gold right now these days might actually be really risky, and you are fully responsible for any big losses happen because of this signal, because you are the one who is managing your funds, and you should be able to understand how much you're gonna lose if in case this signal has failed. And of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I will watch it personally to let you know. For example, yesterday I have sent here an update telling everybody to do not enter the old signal because it has just reversed from the take profit level. This notification you would never receive on YouTube because I'm sending it on Telegram only. So make sure to join Telegram to receive these updates. And of course, you can find the link to join Telegram right in the description below of this video. So again, my friends, I really hope it's going to be a winning signal, and hopefully we will make profits with it. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.